Today I'm going to show you how to transform this maxi skirt to a pair of culottes. So if you want to see how, then keep on watching. First, I locate the back seam. Using a pair of pajama pants, I am going to trace the back seam. If I could redo this, I am going to place the pajama pants just under the waistband of the skirt, so I will have extra wiggle room. But that's okay, I ended up trimming the crotch seam about 2 inches more so it'll sit nice and comfortable when I'm wearing it. Now I am going to do the same thing for the front seam. So I just folded it like this because the front is shorter than the back. Then I trim off the fabric, and here I was kind of hesitating if I should trim the elastic or not. Hindsight, I should have trimmed it a little less than this because the waistband is a little snug. And I mentioned earlier that I trim off the front and back crotch seam 2 inches more so it's not super tight. This is the thing about transforming an old garment to something new. You are going to do some trial and error. That's why it is best to just cut a little bit at a time so you will have some room for adjustment. If you are going to recreate this project, be sure to use a skirt that is slightly bigger on you so you will have some room to adjust if necessary. Now it's time to close the back seam and the front seam. I will use my overlocker for this, but you can certainly use your sewing machine. Just be careful when you are stitching across the elastic. It's very tight and just slowly sew it because you don't want to break a needle. Now that it is done, it's time to close the inseam. By the way, I unpicked the hemline just on the edge so I can serge it neatly. Then I close this part. I repeated the same thing to the other pant leg. This is the completed product. I absolutely love it and I cannot wait to make some more. If this is helpful, don't forget to follow, likes, and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!